Chidananda Shivoham, Shivoham, Chidananda Rupam, Shivam Tvam, Shivam Tam, Chidananda Rupam, Shivam Tvam, Shivam Tam. All universe is the bliss and blessed joy of the infinity. We are the nature of the bliss and joy. We are the Shiva. We are the synergy and symphony of the whole universe. We are the harmony and humanity of the whole universe. We are the inspiration and intuition of the whole universe. We are the vast vibration of joy, bliss and blessing of this universe. This is the meaning of Chidananda Rupam. Shivoham, Shivoham. Om Namah Shivaya.
Shiva Guruji wurde von 21 Meistern im Himalaya ausgebildet und strebt seit seiner Kindheit an, das Selbst und Shiva zu finden. Auf der Suche nach sich selbst im Himalaya lernte er 64 Siddhis, die vedischen Künste, die vedische Seelenastrologie und unterstützt und transformiert dadurch die Menschen mit Shiva.
Transcend. When you go to mountain, you transcend from the lower chakra to the higher chakra. You go up and you get awakened. You get aspiration, aim, and you become ascendant master. It's like you become mountain on the mountain. Because on the mountain you are with your breath. You are totally conscious of your soul. And when the soul is conscious, this chakra, your third eye opens and this lotus of Sahasrara chakra exposed to sun, the higher consciousness and the 1,000 petals of universe is for you. Om